Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hammadart and I do makeup. So as you all know, I come on here every year for the sole purpose of the Face Awards by NYX Cosmetics. And this year, 2019, I joined again. Why? I don't know. Okay. But I got into the top 30. So I received my prize from NYX Cosmetics and the sponsors. I want to thank Grab Express for sending the parcel to my front door. Without further ado, let's see what we got. Okay, so first up are 3 different micellar water from Garnier. These are to wipe your makeup off, and they gave me one for oily and acne prone skin, that's me, and then there's one for all skin types, and the other one is for sensitive skin. And yep, that's all there is from Garnier. Thank you so much. The next thing we have here is from NYX. We got 2 Glitter Goals liquid lipstick. They are in the shades Bloodstone and X Infinity. The next thing we have here is the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Exotic. One lone lingerie lipstick. And then the next thing we have here is Bear With Me Hydrating Cheek Tint in the shade Detox Me. I think this is orange. Yep, it's orange. And then we also got a mini matte finish setting spray. I love their setting spray. I usually buy like the full size one because it's not that expensive. It's around like 40 ringgit. And the next thing we got here is the Studio Perfect Photo Living Primer. And then the next thing we have here is an eyeshadow palette. This is the NYX Machinist palette. She cute. So here's the palette. Here is how it looks on the inside. Like, yeah. Okay, and the last thing we have in this box is a Whipped Wonderland shadow palette. Like, it comes in a tin box. This is from their limited edition collection from last year, I believe, for Christmas, I think. Like, yeah, we have like all of the neutral color. I just want to thank NYX and all the sponsors, which are here, for sponsoring this competition. Peace out. Okay, we're doing this. We are doing this. Y'all been knew that I got scars, right? The first thing we're gonna try out is the NYX Lip Lingerie. This one is in the shade Exotic. I'm gonna top it with Glitter Goals in the shade Bloodstone. I'm gonna put X Infinity in the middle. Mix it all together, and you know you got the best of both worlds. Cute. Do I look crazy? I don't think so. I think I look cute. Let's move on to the eyes. Which palette are we going to try out today? Are we gonna try out this one or this one? Okay, we're gonna go with this. We're gonna go with Ignite. So I'm gonna go with this shade right here and this shade right here and some other shades. Okay. Pull this out. So I guess that's the only thing that I can use from the box that I got. You want to see me take off my makeup? I mean, you could, but I'll probably end up looking like everyone else, so So that is all. Thank you very much for watching.